back to my channel. This is your Barbie strategy with you guys, and today we are going to do a special video wherein I am going to review the Ucanbe face painting palettes, like both of them. So yeah, without further more ado, let's get started. But before that, you need to subscribe to my channel and also comment down below what kind of products you want me to purchase, and also go to my Instagram so that you can you can follow me over there for more updates. So yeah, let's get started. So just show you the outer packaging, how the outer packaging looks like. I actually got these two different palettes from two different places. So the first packaging looks somewhat like this is the Ucanbe Cruise painting palette. This is how the packaging looks like, and from the back side all the ingredients and everything is mentioned over here. If you want to see, you can just pause the video and see. And the manufacturing and expiry date, everything is given over here. And the next thing I am going to show you is the Ucanbe Athena palette. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. This is the front portion, and this is the back side of the palette. All the colors are over here, mentioned over here, and the sides of the palette is full of like colors, like what colors do they have in there. So these are like color coded on the outside, and I really like the packaging in this one too. The packaging was like really good. You also get a pamphlet over here wherein they have mentioned about their Instagram page and their Facebook, I guess. Yeah, so if you want to check out their Instagram, I'll leave the ID. I purchased the cruise painting palette from Cuffs and Lashes, and this one, the Athena palette from, I guess, Blush. I don't remember the page. I'll mention it over here. From where did I purchase? The cruise palette costed me rupees 1000, which I got from Cuffs and Lashes, and this one costed me around 1800 rupees from that Instagram page. So yeah, let's move on to the main product. This is how the Ucanbe Cruise palette looks like from the front, and from the back it's a matte black packaging. It's all transparent, so you can see all the colors which are in there, and it's like really beautiful. They also have a film inside, and the packaging is sturdy. It's not cheap at all. So this is how it looks like. I have been using this cruise palette since a long time, and I got the Athena palette because this has like very less quantity in the pans. There's less quantity, as you can see. Like the quantity is like very if you are using it on your face, just on your face, like a little bit, you need a little bit, then this palette is a nice thing for you, nice for like you can invest in this. But if you are using, like if you paint your body sometimes or like something like that, then this palette is not going to be enough for you. Sorry guys, I don't have any makeup on, and my hair is like legit wet right now, and I don't want to blow dry it. And yeah, that's why I'm like, I don't have any makeup on my face. I'll show you a demo video wherein I'll be using both of these palettes so that you can see it for yourself how these palettes perform. So this was the Ucanbe Cruise palette. Now let's jump on to the most exciting part. This is the Ucanbe's Athena palette. So this is how it looks like. I'll also insert a clip right over here so that you can just see a good close-up of this. So yeah, and from the back side also it's transparent, and all the ingredients are mentioned over here. It's written like in very like small alphabets, and this is also made in PRC, which is a little bit saddening. But yeah, so this is how it looks like, and let me open this for you guys. I haven't like used this once. I just received it 2 days ago, and this is how it looks like from the inside. I just touched the white shade, and all the shades are untouched over here. I'll be using this palette today with you guys. I got this palette only because this the cruise palette has very like little pigment, like very little quantity, so I needed something which I could use for a longer period of time. So that's the reason why I got the Athena one. So usually you will find face palettes, like painting palettes are really expensive. Like the pack one costs around, I guess, 2500. The cryolines are very expensive, like only 5 colors you get for 1500 or 2000 rupees, I guess. But you get a bunch of colors in this only for 1800 rupees. So of course this is hell affordable than that. Of course it is expensive, but it's still affordable than the other face painting palettes. So I'll swatch a few shades for you guys from these two palettes. These are how all the shades look like. I'll just swatch the red and a brown, maybe, yeah, the pink, and this blue one is like insane. I really love it. So this is how the colors look like. It's really pigmented. You don't need to build these color up a lot, but yeah, these are like really beautiful. So this is the red, this is the maroonish kind of shade, this is the pink, and this is the sky blue. Just look at all the shades, like these are all really pigmented. I just wanted to show you the swatch of the Kinby's cruise palette, like Athena palette. So this is how the palette looks like. The shades again are looking really beautiful. I'll swatch this yellow one maybe. Oh my god, this is still a little bit of redness in my hands. Then maybe a little bit of purple, then a little bit of silver, and this peach. Let me show it to you guys. So this is the yellow. I actually, my hand is like filled with red, so that's why this one isn't swatching that well. Then I have this pink. Again, the pink from two palettes are like almost identical. Then this is the silver shade. It's also really beautiful and pigmented, and this is the peach shade. Put your finger in because of the pan size. So this is how the colors look like. Now to like purchase a palette, if you just want to use it on your face, you can go for the cruise one. But if you're thinking of like using these in the longer run and you want to use it also on your body and stuff, then you can go in with the Athena one. I really like this palette, like this how it looks like. I haven't used it yet, but yeah, it seems pretty promising. So yeah, without further more ado, let's get started. This is the final look, and I really love how it turned out. So of course I couldn't use all the colors from the palette, but I used quite a few colors and created this beautiful look. I hope you like it. I really love how the eyes are looking right now. Those, beautiful shaded gradient like eyes, and this beautiful garden going on right over here, which reaches up till here. I think this just looks so gorgeous. I really love how it turned out to be, and the palettes are like worth investing. The palettes are like literally amazing. They have bombdegree.com pigmentation, like the pigmentation is amazing, but at times you need to set this, as this is an oil based paint, you need to set this sometimes, so you should be careful about that thing. Otherwise everything about this palette is amazing. I just love this palette. Invest in one of these if you want to. If you like just face painting, then you can invest on the smaller palette, like the palette which has the Ucanbe cruise palette. But if you are a person who loves body painting like me, then you should invest in the Ucanbe Athena palette, because I think that's a great one in only 800 bucks. I know 800 is still expensive, but as compared to other palettes, this one is affordable and is good quality and is skin friendly. So yeah, bye bye, take care. I hope you like my video, and yeah, don't follow to subscribe to my channel, like, share my video with your friends, and also follow me on my Instagram. Bye bye.